Oh, hi! I'm Fioni and I'm from Diva Patil College. Here, today I'm going for my bakery practicals. So, here we learn a lot about breads, pastries, desserts, and everything. All the people who love baking and are passionate to become a chef should definitely join Diva Patil College because here they teach us healthy baking, gluten-free baking, plating, and all the modern trends in baking. So, come, let's join Diva Patil.
What better than having an hands-on experience for working with fondant flowers on a wedding cake?
As you can see, we have made freshly baked bread. We have made soft rolls, braided bread, multigrain bread and baguettes.
I always had a dream to become and learn a professional chef and gain knowledge with tips and tricks given by them. A well-equipped kitchen with all the facilities are provided here. So hurry up, future chefs, and come and become a part of Diva Patil family.